The summer of 2018, I was lucky enough to travel to the United States of America for almost 2.5 weeks. Our first destination, New York. After staying in New York for about 5 days, we flew to San Jose in sunny California. Now this is when the real trip started. We rented a car and went on a nearly 2,400 kilometer road trip. Our original plan was to drive the iconic Highway 1 all the way down to Santa Monica. Due to construction, we had to take a massive detour with some insane back roads. We even had to drive through a military base. We decided to find a hotel in Pismo Beach after a quick visit in Morro Bay. We continued our journey down to Santa Monica, where we would be staying for the next 5 days exploring Los Angeles. The last day of staying in LA, I enjoyed the canyon roads north of Malibu with an MV Agusta Brutale 800. The day after, we headed straight into the desert for our next destination, Las Vegas. To get to our next destination, we had to drive through Death Valley. This place has the highest recorded air temperature on Earth. We stopped at a few vista points, but we couldn't stay out of the car for long. The temperature was a whopping 52 degrees Celsius. Once we got out of Death Valley, we were greeted with civilization and mighty mountains, rewarding us for surviving the immense heat. We arrived after sundown in Mammoth Lakes, and the morning after, I decided to go for a beautiful morning hike. From Mammoth Lakes, we traveled to Yosemite. There was a lot of fog surrounding the area, coming from a forest fire nearby. So the experience wasn't like we'd seen in any pictures, but it was kind of mystic in a way, and that still made coming to Yosemite worth it. Our last destination for the trip was San Francisco. Then we went home, which means that this video is ending right now. Thanks for watching.